This is how the border looks like. नहीं, मुझे बस border देखना था. कैमरा ऑफ है, ऑफ. Finally a day I ride. Okay, we'll be riding today. I think topic देख के आपको पता चल गया होगा मैं कहाँ जा रहा हूँ. We are going to Burma's border. We are going to different countries border. It's probably 120 kilometers from here. The name of the place is Moreh, Burma. Moreh India के तरफ है. Burma is the other country, Myanmar. I won't be taking here time. The gate is still closed. I need to cold start my bike. Jai Shri Ram. And yes, I'm not going alone. I'm going with my boy. He's probably waiting for me on the way. और मैं अभी ready भी नहीं हूँ. I'll see you guys when I meet him because it's going to take time. So I'll see you guys again. ओए कसम मर्छस् भाइ. कसम भनेको रेडी भएकै रहेनछस्. There is my boy. This is the guy I'm going with. केही भन्दैन त क्यामेरामा. बिहान बिहानै निन्द्रामै.
Welcome to Manjil's vlog. And we're off to somewhere even we don't know.
So we are probably 30 kilometers away from Imphal. The name of this place is, you know.
This is we're taking over Manjil's channel. I'll be taking over the vlogging for today. We're here now at Moreh. This is a few kilometers away from Kanglatongbi, which was our initial point.
तो हम पहुंच गए हैं इम्फाल. द नेम ऑफ दिस प्लेस इज़ कांगला. मैंने पहले भी इसमें वीडियो बनाया था. यू कैन वॉच द वीडियो विच इज़ अ ईयर ओल्डर. दिस इज़ द मॉर्निंग व्यू ऑफ इम्फाल सिटी. उतना क्राउड भी नहीं है यहाँ. That was the drone shot of Imphal. और हम जा रहे हैं अभी straight. हमने ड्रोन शॉट इस तरफ का लिया था. This is कांगला. हम कांगला में ज़्यादा ड्रोन उड़ाए नहीं क्योंकि it is restricted area. तो I don't want to violate the rules. So now we'll be going straight. We still have we still have 78 to 80 kilometers. It might take around 3 hours. Time is 6 exactly. We are 99 kilometers exactly from here. रास्ता अभी तक ठीक है, but आगे I have heard रास्ता is very bad. See, some of the patches are very good, but some of them are very bad. So let's hope for the best. So हम पहुँच गए हैं थौबाल. Up till थौबाल the road is so good. I mean 4 lane बना रखा है and the road is like this. No potholes, nothing. लेकिन आगे का कुछ पता नहीं है. दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ मणिपुर, थौबाल. Okay, and after you cross Palel, there is a name of a place. Okay, you'll start getting curvy roads like this. Okay, matlab this is not 4 lane. You are going on a very curvy roads like this, and which is so good. I mean the road condition. I can't even believe मैं अभी मणिपुर में है, because back then मणिपुर का रास्ता सबसे like legit खत्म हुआ करता था. I am so shocked right now. Look at the road condition. अभी तक रास्ता इतना सही था, like legit when I turned my camera on, this is how the road has started to come. I think from that point the road is getting constructed, क्योंकि ऐसा रास्ता तो अभी तक आया नहीं था. नहीं, there is going to be 2 checkings. Okay, आर्मी का चेकिंग 2 होता है यहाँ रास्ता में. You don't have to pay them, you just have to give your information. That's all. Now I'll see you guys in Moreh. The road is something like this. उतना खास भी नहीं है. It's been like 20 kilometers. हम ऐसा ही रास्ता में चला रहे हैं अभी तक. This much is fine. It's not very heavy off-road, but it's under construction, so it's okay. Finally, welcome to Moreh. The time is 9:50. पहुँच गए मोरे, लेकिन मेन मार्केट पहुँचे नहीं अभी तक. And one thing you will notice when you come to Moreh side, यहाँ एक्टिवा एंड टॉर्क उतना ज़्यादा चलता नहीं है. This kind of two-wheeler is very famous over here. I'll show you guys properly. Look at this one. Kenro. The name is Kenro. I don't know the name. What do they call? But I know branding is Kenro. Moreh तो पहुँच गए, लेकिन फर्स्ट वी हैव डिसाइडेड विल बी गोइंग टू 0 पॉइंट, जहाँ बर्मा स्टार्ट होगा. सो बेसिकली मोरे इज़ अ वेरी स्मॉल टाउन विच इज़ समथिंग लाइक दिस. एवरीथिंग इज नॉर्मल, इट्स जस्ट दैट इट्स एन इंटरनेशनल बोर्डर. और आई डोन्ट नो कहाँ गएको हामी थाहा पनि छैन. म कुदाएको छु यार. सो ये बोर्डर किस तरफ होगा? बोर्डर हो आगे है लेकिन. So basically we are just probably 500 meters away from Burma, and the only thing जो देखने का लायक है वो है एक ब्रिज, जहाँ से इंडिया और बर्मा सेपरेट होता है. तो let's go there now. Okay, we just reached the border of India and Myanmar. This is how the border looks like. One of the border, okay, gate 1, gate 2 है, and this is the bridge that connects the India and Myanmar. Let me show you guys from the other. So this is the bridge. The bridge is totally iron, yes. And the river is there. और म्यांमार का आर्मी का चेक पोस्ट वहाँ है, उस तरफ है. I don't see any armies. Fair way. This is how the place looks like. There is Sudhir. लु भन्दैन त के रास्ताको कस्तो लाग्यो यहाँको? रास्ता कस्तो छ?
The road was nice.
Road is
80% it's good. 20% it's under construction. It's like
2 सालमा
yeah, If you're getting married and you're having like a children, then 2 साल बाद your son's gonna be, in good roads. That I can vouch for.
So this is it for the India Myanmar friendship road. यहाँ से now we'll head to Moreh market. पेट पूजा के लिए.
We've got to eat something. I'm tired of eating nothing.
I'm tired of eating. ला यार जाइदूँ. Okay, I'll see you guys in Moreh बाजार then now. Okay, हम जा रहे हैं मोरे मार्केट. यहाँ जो मिठाई मिलते हैं ना, वो बहुत फेमस है मणिपुर में. वो यहीं से जाते हैं. देयर आर ड्राइड फिशेस. ड्रैगन फ्रूट पनि रहेछ यार.
ड्रैगन पनि भेट्छ यहाँ.
अब माछाहरू हेर्नु कत्रो कत्रो. यहाँ तो पूरा मछली का मार्केट लगा रखा है. देयर आर कॉस्मेटिक्स एज वेल. नाइस मार्केट. नाइस क्लोथ्स. सेकेंड हैंड कपड़ा हो गया. और देर आर 2 गेट्स. ओके, गेट 1, गेट 2, और ये है दूसरा गेट, इंडो म्यांमार फ्रेंडशिप गेट. कंडीशन तो ऐसा है भाई, कुछ भी बोलो, इंटरनेशनल बाउंड्री है. नो व्हीकल बियॉन्ड दिस पॉइंट. सो दिस इज हाउ द बॉर्डर लुक्स लाइक. अनि उता चाहिँ के हो? बर्मा हो नि. बर्मा नै हो नि उता. हो त्यो चाहिँ होला. भेहिकल चाहिँ यहाँदेखि छैन. ओके, वहाँ से होगा बर्मा. वहाँ से वो गेट जो देख रहे हो ना, वहाँ से बर्मा. लेकिन गाड़ी यहाँ से नहीं जा सकते. होटल नेम एसी होटल. Kikyo. And we'll be having Manipuri thali. Kikyo. This is chicken, Manipuri style chicken, which is very oily. This is uti. This is ये तो मैच आओ ये मछली है और this is sinju. Mustard chutney.
I think.
Boiled, just mandatory in Manipuri's thali. This is ironba. तो खाना तो यार तुम कसरी खाने Manipuri thali from a guy who lives in Manipur.
So basically what you do is, you mix them all up. It's chicken, ironba, and some of this sinji if you want.
मीठो से जागी चाहिए कोई मीठो सा. Okay, my turn. This with a little bit of chutney. Spicy एकदम ज़्यादा.
Exam se that is
मैं
not.
खाना था.
His tolerance is really low. It's not exam. This is normal food. Manipur food.
It's normal. तारा अम्मा में साथे पिरो है. So this is with utti अम्मा पिरो है.
His tolerance is really low when it comes to hot food.
अम्मा ते सारा पिरो. Boiled. Healthy. Okay, I'll have my food now and I'll catch you guys again. After having the rice, हम पहुंच गए, I don't know, halfway, not even halfway, 20%. And we have stopped here in a place where Sudhir wants to buy bamboo shoot.
Yeah.
Bamboo shoot है ना, local bamboo shoot. कति कति है? 100 कति? कति वड़ा? यो सबैको 100? Okay, we'll end this video over here because Burma अंदर जा नहीं सकते, ठीक है? Because there was a little bit of conflict between India and Burma a month ago, शायद. I don't know what happened, लेकिन yes, the local told me that. तो हम अंदर जा नहीं पाए. But yes, that was the border. सुधीर कुछ बोलने वाला है.
Ride with him. He's a good driver.
Driver, rider हो.
Rider was also Sunyon. Alright. It was a good journey, and the road was far better than we expected it to be. We had a good time. The food was tasty, man.
Done.
Yeah. That's my time, guys.
Okay, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. I have not planned anything, but I'll definitely come up with something good. So I'll see you guys in the next. Please take care. Bye. See you again.
Like, share and subscribe.
Okay, bye.